Sometimes, a feeling of boredom in long-distance relationships can be a sign that your relationship isn't working. If so, talk to your long-distance partner about your feelings, and together come up with a solution. Avoid keeping your thoughts and feelings to yourself, because they will just cause you more pain. Today's topic is something that many of you might relate to: boredom in long-distance relationships. We all know that long-distance relationships can be challenging, and one of the most common hurdles is dealing with boredom and monotony. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel for more relationship tips and advice. Now, let's dive into understanding the causes of boredom and explore some creative solutions to rekindle the spark in your long-distance relationship. When things start to feel boring, remember that you have the power to change the narrative. Take the initiative and spice things up. Explore new activities, have deep and meaningful conversations, and embrace spontaneity. Break away from the ordinary and inject excitement into your relationship. Number 1. Acknowledging the reality. Let's face it, being away from your partner for an extended period is tough. The excitement of being in a new relationship or the initial thrill of long-distance love can fade over time, leading to feelings of boredom and disconnection. It's essential to acknowledge these emotions and understand that boredom is a normal part of any relationship, especially in long-distance ones. However, it's important not to let boredom discourage you or negatively impact your relationship. Instead, use it as an opportunity to grow individually and as a couple. Number 2. Identifying the causes of boredom. Understanding the root causes of boredom is crucial to address the issue effectively. As mentioned earlier, limited physical intimacy, lack of shared experiences, repetitive communication patterns, and a sense of routine are common contributors to boredom. Additionally, the uncertainty of when you'll be physically together again and the fear of drifting apart can add to the emotional strain. By identifying these causes, you can actively work together to find solutions that reignite the spark in your long-distance relationship. Number 3. Spicing up communication. Communication is the lifeline of any long-distance relationship, but it can also become routine and monotonous over time. To combat boredom, try incorporating various communication methods. Apart from texting and calling, consider sending voice messages, videos, or even handwritten letters. Surprise your partner with random messages or pictures that show them you're thinking of them throughout the day. Additionally, make an effort to have meaningful conversations beyond the typical "how was your day?" Talk about your dreams, aspirations, and fears. Share your thoughts on current events, books, or movies. Engaging in deep, personal conversations can reignite the emotional connection and make you feel closer despite the distance. Number 4. Planning virtual date nights. Date nights are not limited to couples living in the same city. Thanks to technology, you can plan virtual date nights and enjoy each other's company despite the distance. Set a specific time, dress up, and share a meal together via video call. You can also watch a movie simultaneously or play online games together, creating new shared experiences that keep the relationship fresh and exciting. Additionally, try exploring each other's city virtually. Take virtual tours of landmarks, parks, or museums, and discuss your experiences as if you were there together in person. These virtual adventures can bring a sense of adventure and closeness, even from miles away. Number 5. Setting goals together. Boredom can often arise when couples feel like they are drifting apart or lack a sense of direction. Combat this by setting mutual goals and aspirations. Discuss your plans for the future, both individually and as a couple. This not only strengthens your emotional connection but also gives you something to look forward to, making the distance more bearable. Setting shared goals, such as planning a future trip together or working towards a common project, can give your long-distance relationship a sense of purpose and commitment. These goals become a driving force that helps you endure the challenges of being apart. Number 6. Embracing me time. Long-distance relationships require patience and independence. Instead of viewing the distance as a negative aspect, use it as an opportunity for personal growth. Embrace me time and focus on your hobbies, interests, and self-improvement. This not only keeps you occupied but also brings new topics to discuss with your partner, keeping the conversations interesting and engaging. By nurturing your individuality and passions, you become a more fulfilled person, which ultimately benefits your relationship. Embrace this time apart as an opportunity for self-discovery and self-care. Number 7. Surprising each other. Surprises are a fantastic way to inject excitement into any relationship. Send your partner surprise gifts, plan surprise visits, if possible, or organize surprise virtual events with their friends and family. Surprising gestures show your partner that you care deeply and that distance can never dampen your affection for them. The element of surprise keeps the romance alive and reminds your partner that you're thinking of them, even from miles away. These thoughtful acts of love strengthen the emotional bond between you both. Number 8. Sharing media and interests. Sharing media like books, movies, or music can be a fun way to bond with your partner. Read the same book together and discuss it, watch a movie simultaneously while chatting about it, or create playlists for each other. Sharing interests and discussing them helps you connect on a deeper level, even from a distance. Discover new books, movies, or TV shows that both of you might enjoy, and discuss your thoughts and emotions about them. This shared experience creates a sense of intimacy and shared interests that are vital in any relationship. Number 9. Prioritizing visits. Whenever possible, try to plan visits to see each other. These in-person encounters provide a much-needed break from the distance and create cherished memories that you can hold onto during the times you're apart. Visits reinforce your commitment and remind you why the relationship is worth overcoming the challenges. If visiting each other is not feasible due to circumstances, consider planning a vacation together to a new destination. Even if it's in the future, having something to look forward to brings excitement and hope into your long-distance relationship. Number 10. Cultivating trust and communication. Above all, trust and communication are the pillars of a successful long-distance relationship. Address any concerns or insecurities openly and honestly. Trust your partner, and ensure they know they can trust you too. Healthy communication helps resolve issues before they escalate and keeps the connection strong. Be transparent about your feelings and needs, and encourage your partner to do the same. Avoid bottling up emotions, as it can lead to resentment and misunderstandings. Instead, create a safe space where both of you can express yourselves freely and without judgment. As we conclude today's video, remember that boredom is a natural part of any relationship, and long-distance relationships are no exception. However, by acknowledging the reality, identifying the causes of boredom, and implementing creative solutions, you can overcome the challenges and maintain a strong, fulfilling bond with your partner. Long-distance relationships can be a true testament of love, trust, and commitment. Embrace communication, share experiences, and set goals together. Celebrate the uniqueness of your relationship and the anticipation of being together again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice and tips. Thank you for joining us today. We wish you all the best in your long-distance journey. Stay strong, stay connected, and may love conquer all distances. Take care, and see you in the next video.